Hello, welcome back. In this section we will be covering working with StackViews and size classes. We will take a look at StackViews at an introductory level. We will take a look at the difference between horizontal and vertical stack views. We will use StackViews with auto layout to reconfigure our UI to make it more simpler as far as auto layout goes. And then we will take a look at developing for multiple devices. In this video, we're going to cover an introduction to StackViews. We will talk about what StackViews are and why to use a StackView. So let's go over StackViews. Right now, inside of our view controller here, we have our title text field, our body text view, and they're all constrained to this content view that we have. And there's a lot of different constraints on all of these individual pieces. And we can actually break these up by putting like all these color view buttons into a stack view and then putting all the other elements into another stack view and just worry about constraining those stack views. So to demonstrate stack views, we will bring in this view controller. And in the object library, if we type in stack view, we see a horizontal stack view and a vertical stack view. But there's another way to create stack views, which I find to be a little bit easier. And that is first to bring in the elements that we want inside of a stack view. So in this case, let's drag in 3 buttons. With the 3 buttons on the screen, we can select those 3 buttons. And down at the bottom, there's this Embed in Stack button. If we tap that, it embeds them into a stack view. And now we can constrain this stack view to our view controller view. So we can go to the constraint menu and put all zeros and uncheck constrain the margins, add those constraints, and we can see that it now takes up the whole size of the view. But there's some weird spacing. So if we look at the attribute inspector, we see that we have this distribution attribute, and we can change the distribution to better fill out these buttons in the screen. So for instance, if we wanted them to be more evenly spaced, we could go up to the distribution and say fill proportionally, and now there's evenly spaced between each button in this view on our view controller. In the next video, we will cover the differences between horizontal and vertical stack views.